Open house Saturday 6, 13, 11 to 12:30. Charm and character fill this 4-bed/2-bath Winchell Cape Cod in turnkey condition. Renovated kitchen with center island cooktop, stainless steel appliances, pantry and adorable built-in seating. Main floor is where you will find the primary bedroom, full bath, and home office west/double French doors. Upstairs offers 3 additional bedrooms and full bath. Updated landscaping and fenced backyard with a wonderful deck. Some of the updates include new AC, 2021, furnace, 2018, roof and gutters, 2019, windows at main floor and at stairway, 2022, deck, 2019.